In the high-stakes world of automation, any error can disrupt critical workflows. Organizations frequently struggle with inconsistent error handling, logging, and recovery processes in their Workato recipes, leading to increased manual intervention, extended development times, and operational disruptions. Workato's Autonomous Operations Framework Accelerator provides a comprehensive incident management solution. This framework standardizes and automates error handling, logging, notification, and recovery, minimizing manual intervention and operational hiccups while boosting efficiency. Designed as a plug-and-play resource, the Accelerator integrates seamlessly into Workato recipes, handling errors consistently and reducing upfront build work. It's customizable to fit any organization's application ecosystem and accessible to all users through an out-of-the-box connector. Key functions are: 1. Error logging and analytics for visibility and corrective measures. 2. Automated error recovery from transient issues like API rate limits or temporary server unavailability. 3. Error notification and alerting through channels such as Slack, email, and ticketing systems. The AOF Accelerator boasts features like built-in orchestration, elastic automated handling, comprehensive logging for troubleshooting and audits, intelligent error matching, and periodic job reports. It's designed to be application agnostic, compatible with any database, and flexible enough for users to tailor error handling to their needs. This accelerator enhances operational efficiency by reducing manual intervention, improving error management and visibility, and saving development time on error handling actions or recipes. The flexible framework allows users to focus on building business logic rather than managing errors. Transform your organization with the Accelerator by automating problem handling, cutting down on repetitive work, and enhancing productivity. Contact us today for a demo to discover more.